everybody, I'm taking the day off for my mom because it's Mother's Day, and now she's laughing because I said it.
You're taking the day off, or I am.
You are.
Okay, go ahead.
And so, we are making a card. She made the background with alcohol ink. The die cut is from Catherine Pooler, and I like the card because the design is really pretty, and it reminds me of the first time I drew a diamond. She used the connect glue on the die cuts. She adhered it to the background. She's using a big fat tape gun to add the tape to the panel. She's adding the panel to the card base. She is trying to make the card really, really nice, so she's like trying to glue it better. And now she's putting words on the card, I think. And it's on a black card, and she's using tan or white ink. She has little tiny scissors. They're cute scissors. They have this big top and then a little pointy bottom. She's adding the powder to the ink because the ink is really sticky, so the powder sticks to the ink. She's using the heat tool to heat the powder in the ink so it can spread around really good. And she's cutting with her cutter thing, a majoggy. The stamp set is from my favorite things and category because we have a cat. She's going to adhere the sentence to the foam because she needs it to stick, or else it's the thing that she's gluing it to has nothing. It would just be a black thing. That finally completes the Mother's Day card. I hope you guys enjoyed the voiceover and the video. I like the card because the thing where at the end it shows these cute little flowers. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video and the voiceover a thumbs up. You guys are so awesome. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Thank you for watching this video.